What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and as you can look outside of the window, this is not a night shift episode. This is a Saturday over the weekend. The game plan is I have my father-in-law coming in like he did last week to help with the backer board. He's gonna help me finish installing the tile. We're gonna try to see how far we can get today. Over the past videos this week, we've been working in the bathroom, laying the first couple rows of tile. We've also been working in the shower, installing our first layer of micro cement. But we're about a month out from official move-in date, but this bathroom needs to be tackled, and it's like one of the top priorities on our list before we officially move in. Enough talk, let's go back in there and get started. So this is currently what we're working with. This is where I got to last video. Nice, beautiful. Okay. All right, guys, that's all we got for tonight. Quick pro tip, when you're done laying tile and you want to kind of start and stop, if you're using the leveling clip system, wipe off any excess mortar and then put one of those clips, snug it in like you're about to start another row. That way it'll harden into the mortar, and then you come back the next day and you won't be fighting it trying to match the elevation. And the start and stop process is pretty seamless. Make sure to clean off the tiles as much as you can. Getting the thin set off now is a lot easier than getting it off in a day or two when it dried and hardened. Yeah, that's all we got for tonight. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll keep chipping away at it.